Good morning, sir. This is my meal for today. I have here egg, fried eggplant, apple, rice, and water. Before I begin, I offer short prayer. Apple are good source of nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidant, which can help support healthy disease. And this one is boiled egg, are rich of essential nutrients like a vitamin D and zinc iron. And last, eggplant has antioxidants like vitamin A and C, which help protect your cells against damage. So, start to eat na. Good afternoon, sir. This is my meal for today. I have here dry fish, green beans, orange, rice, and water. Before I begin, I offer short prayer. So first, dry fish is increasingly becoming a vital factor in providing high quality proteins. Second, green beans, string beans or snap beans are a rich source of vitamin A and C. So last, orange are excellent of source of vitamin C, a key antioxidant to reserve oxidative stress. So let's start to eat. Good evening, sir. This is my meal for today. I have here mungus, egg, banana, rice, and water. Before I begin, I offer short prayer. First, boiled egg are a rich source of essential nutrients like vitamin D, zinc, iron, calcium, and vitamin B. Second, banana are good source of potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and other important nutrients. And last, mung beans are one of the best plant-based source of protein. They rich essential amino acid and antioxidant and nutrition that may help reduce blood pressure. So, start eating na.